everyone, today's video is on D4. So if you are an employee and you have incurred some education expenses, let's say you're going to uni or you're studying in TAFE and you incurred some expenses on education for your work purposes, then it can be claimed. Now, what expenses can be claimed? As you can see, fees, books, union fees, internet, travel, books, software, computer depreciation, and other expenses which you have incurred for self-education purposes. But there are a few tests for that. Now, what are the tests? It should be work related. Work related means it should be related to your current job and it should help you in promotion or enhancement or efficiently performing your current duties. So let's say I'm an accountant and I enroll myself in a nursing course. I cannot claim that because that is not related to my current job. That is totally unrelated. Now I'm an accountant, and if I enroll myself in a solicitor or a legal course, I still cannot claim it because that is not related to my current job. Okay, that is very important test. If you are not working and you want to do some course, then you cannot claim it. You should be working at the time you are paying the fees. So it should be related to your current job, not future job. If you are intending to become a solicitor or a doctor and you start studying now, that is not work related. So you cannot claim that. Okay. The second thing is you need to keep some record. Record means all invoices of fees paid, of books you buy or computer or internet or all those expenses which you incur. You need to keep all the invoices. Now, a lot of students take HECS loan. Can HECS be deductible? No, HECS is not deductible because you are not paying it out of your pocket. It is being paid by Australian government, so you cannot claim it as a deduction in your tax return if you have taken HECS. Okay. So three things: work related, you need to keep a record, and you should not be reimbursed by your employer. If you join a course and your employer pays you fees directly to the university, or he reimburses you the fees, then obviously you cannot claim it as a deduction. Although you have incurred, it is still not deductible because it has not gone from your pocket. Thanks for watching.